Hi and welcome to Draw Plans. I'm Tom Norris and today we're looking at the Split Entity tool. Split Entity tool was something I'd heard and saw bits and pieces about for months and months, but it took a while before I actually learned how to use it. And to be honest, the sooner you learn how to use it, better you will be. So let me give you an example of how I would use it. A couple of lines. On a drawing, for example, let's assume I'm drawing walls. Now this happens all the time when you're drawing, so obviously you could just bring it back like so, and you could move your lines like this and then add in lines, to get your connection. But of course the Split Entity tool will do it for you, so let's try that again. Now let me draw another line. In fact, let's do it this way. So sometimes, as you know, when you're drawing, especially architectural walls and so on, it's maybe these walls are quite long, so you just want to take the little bit out. So Split Entity tool is essential. Click where on the line you want to take a section out of. Choose the starting point. Click the line again, choose the finish point, and hey presto, gone. So really useful little tool. Like for example, I'm putting in a door and frame into a wall. This is how I would be doing it. So if I just get a little couple of wall going here, now I'm thinking about, let's borrow this door here, thinking about putting that door in here. So we get the Split Entity tool, click the line we want to take a section out of, click a starting point, click the line, pick a finishing point, gone. Again, we'll do it again, Split Entity, click the line you want to take a section out of, starting point, click the line again, finishing point. Hey presto, gone again. So now we want to pop our door in. I'm going to use the D, a couple of lines. Voila, one door in a wall. So Split Entity tool, really simple tool, but very important. So if you take this example, last example, just to make sure you got it, you just want to make an opening in a wall. So what we do is draw the lines down where you want to make the opening, and go get your Split Entity tool, click the line, starting point, click the line again, finishing point, click the line, starting point, click the line, finishing point, and there you go. And you've now got yourself an opening in a wall. Alright, that's it. Keep watching. These are great little lessons because they're giving you the essential tools of CAD, especially for architectural, and you've got to come up and up and up, and so the quicker you learn them, the better. Great. See you on the next lesson. Thanks for watching.